Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Well, I haven't even finished uploading yesterday's video where we had run out of the how much I put it, we'd run through and run 6. Now we are busy on run 7 already. And once again, guys, when I saw it happen, I didn't have enough time to set up everything to make the video. But now I've got a little bit more time, so I'm just going to talk you through it. Righto, guys, if you go back, let's go and have a look at the account over here. And we're going to look at it. Here is the trade we entered yesterday, right? The 12th of February, 2022-25. We had placed a buy order at 153.55, and our target was at 154.555, which it had ran right through it. I mean, it hit our target solid with no problem. So automatically we had a profit over there, and I cancelled those 2 forward orders that are lying down there, the pending orders that are lying down there. So let's go back to now, today, whatever the case might be. And of course, I just bought again, down there, just bought again, but also I've increased the risk, right? Just to see where it'll be going to. And I've slowly increased the risk, because what I want to test out, and that is to see for every $1,000 of account balance, you trade 1 lot size. Now, normally on InstaForex, I think 1 lot size will be equal to $1 or around about $1. Depending on the broker you're busy using, the value of 1 pip could be very different. Okay, but anyhow, I entered it at 154.31. My target I set at 155.31, 100 pips above that one over there. I entered one more trade, buy limit lying down here at 153, and one more at 152. There you can see them lying down over there. So guys, let's see where this is going to go. Like I've said, you know, Forex, I'm shit scared of Forex because it's very high leverage, and I don't like leverage. I mean, if I've got the choice between putting my money on Forex or putting my money on crypto, I would rather put it onto crypto. Although crypto is very high risk, but I think if you're buying spot crypto, not the leverage crypto, you've got a better chance of making money than with Forex. Honestly, guys, that is just my opinion, and that is what I have found out. I'm not a professional trader. I'm just showing you guys this. This is a strategy which I saw on YouTube, and I thought, let's give it a go. Let's see if it can work, as I have previously used a very similar system to this. This is a kind of martingale trading, but it is not leveraged, right? Although Forex is leveraged, but the previous martingale systems, for instance, let's say you've bought here. This trade here will be double the lots of that one over there. This trade here will be double the lots of that one over there. So you are busy doubling up. So you run into big problems very quickly. But this system over here is you're keeping a standard lot size and just keeping a standard whatever. So all the time as you're going down, you have made provision that you can buy 10 times. Now, normally when you're trading a system like this, like I've explained before, previously, whatever, let's say you want to trade $5,000 on a single run. That means you must have at least, let's say, $15,000 one side, so that if you do wipe out this $5,000, you can just refund, continue again. One of your 3 runs will start being profitable. So yes, it's also high risk and it's high leverage, guys. That is why I don't mind doing it on demo, sharing it with everybody, but to put real money on it, I'd rather keep my money on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you know, gives you an average growth of about 150% per year over the entire span of its lifetime so far. If it's going to continue doing that, nobody knows. But for now, yes, I think Bitcoin is a much better buy. You just buy and you just hold it. You can have a look once a week or whatever the case might be. Where here I have to look regularly. You have to look back, make sure how things are running. It depends on you and your risk appetite, of course. Right, guys, with that said, let's see where this run is going to go to, and this is run number 7. I think I'm only going to make videos up to run number 10. Then it's up to you to do your own homework and see what you want to do. Thanks for viewing.